of Sports of Kingsville Racing is always at its best. All set, and they're up and running. Early lead is taken by Yellow Soldier by the rail, and moving up on the inside is Bedtime Story 7 Ply 7 and Diamond Dane. It's entry number 1, Bedtime Story in the lead, followed by Yellow Soldier on the outside in second, and running in third is Diamond Dane by 2.5 lengths. 7 Ply 7 in fourth on the outside. The mid-back stretch, it's still Bedtime Story in the lead, followed by Yellow Soldier on the outside in second, and 7 Ply 7 moving up on the outside to take third. On the inside is Diamond Dane. And at the path turn, Yellow Soldier moving up on the outside by half a length, followed by Bedtime Story by the rail in second, and moving up on the outside, 7 Ply 7 and Diamond Dane. The last bend for home, it is still Yellow Soldier in the lead. It's Yellow Soldier and 7 Ply 7 moving up on the further outside in between horses is Diamond Dane. And into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, 7 Ply 7 on the outside and Yellow Soldier by the rail, Diamond Dane on the further outside. And at the payoff line, it is still 7 Ply 7. And finally, it's 7 Ply 7. Yellow Soldier, Diamond Dane, Bedtime Story.